The Thermaltake LCGS View 9870T270 is a high-performance gaming desktop built to deliver powerful, seamless computing experiences. Make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to get this gaming desktop at the latest price available. This system is driven by the latest AMD Ryzen 7 9800X 3D processor, delivering exceptional speed and performance with its 4.7 GHz base clock and 32 MB of cache. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or multitasking with demanding applications, the Ryzen 7 9800X 3D provides the muscle to handle it all with ease and efficiency. Complementing this CPU is the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 graphics card, which offers outstanding visuals, real-time ray tracing, and high frame rates for modern AAA titles. This GPU ensures that even the most graphically intensive games run smoothly, providing immersive gameplay and crisp detail. Alongside the graphics power, the system includes 32 GB of DDR5 RAM running at 6,400 metric tons per second, ensuring lightning-fast responsiveness whether you're gaming or performing creative tasks like video editing or 3D rendering. Storage is handled by a spacious 2 TB NVMe M.2 SSD, giving you ample room for games, files, and software, all with rapid load times. The cooling system is another standout feature. Thermaltake integrates a 360mm closed-loop liquid cooling radiator that efficiently manages thermals even under full system load. This not only maintains performance but also extends the life of your components. Aesthetically, the desktop is housed in a visually striking chassis with RGB lighting and a PSU power cover that supports vertical radiator mounting with filtered ventilation, enhancing both style and airflow. Connectivity options include multiple USB ports, including a Type-C port, headphone and microphone jacks, and built-in Wi-Fi for seamless wireless access. Pre-installed with Windows 11, the system offers the latest OS features out of the box, making it ready for productivity and play right away. Whether you're a serious gamer, a content creator, or someone who simply wants a reliable, premium-grade PC, the Thermaltake LCGS View 9870T270 stands out with top-tier specs, thoughtful design, and performance tuning. From stunning graphics to blazing fast memory and cooling you can count on, this desktop is engineered for those who demand more from their machines. Ask ChatGPT.